Dear student, in a previous lecture, we have learned about journal entry. Today, I learn about how to prepare PL appropriation account and partners capital account. Taken again one example. Question are summarized information. A and B partners in a firm. Their capital rupees 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Interest on capital provided at the rate of 5% per annum. Drawing during the year A drawing rupees 60,000 and B drawing rupees 40,000. Interest on drawing A 1800 and B rupees 1200. Commission provided to B. Commission provided to be 2% on sale. Sale during the year amounted rupees 30 lakh. 10% of the divisible profit is to be kept in a reserve account. Prepare PL appropriation account and partners capital. Profit during the year earned amount rupees 3,37,000. This profit is result of net profit which is transferred to PL appropriation account in credit side by profit and loss account. 3,37,000 profit as a credit balance recorded in credit side. Now, according to partnership deed, interest on capital provided at the rate of 5% per annum. Debit side to interest on capital. Interest on capital provided by the firm as a loss recorded in debit side. A's capital rupees 5 lakh at the rate of 5% per annum 25,000 and B capital rupees 3 lakh at the rate of 5% amount 15,000. Total amount outer column amount 40,000. Next, drawing during the year 60,000 and 40,000 recorded in partners capital account. Interest on capital A rupees 1800 and B rupees 1200. Interest on drawing charged by the firm as a profit recorded in credit side by interest on drawing A B. A 1800, B 1200. Total amount 3000 outer column. Commission provided to be recorded debit side to B's commission. Amount 2% on sale 30 lakh 2% 60,000. 10% of the divisible profit is to be kept in a reserve account. Divisible profit, find out divisible profit. In a PL appropriation account, credit side excess total credit side amount 3,40,000. 3,40,000 minus interest on capital and commission 1 lakh. Balance amount, that means divisible profit rupees 2,40,000. Before providing reserve. Now 10% of divisible profit rupees 24,000. 2,40,000 10% kept as a reserve to reserve. Amount rupees 24,000 debit side. Now 2,40,000 minus 24,000 balance amount rupees 2,60,000 distributed distributed in partners in profit sharing ratio. In this question, profit sharing ratio not given. In the absence of partnership deed, profit sharing ratio will be equal 1:1. Now, profit amount 2,60,000 distributed in partners in equal proportion to partners capital. A, B. 2,16,000 in equal proportion 1,08,000 and 1,08,000. Now PL appropriation account complete. Next, prepare partners capital account. 2 column A and B partners. In a capital account, first row, capital balance amount by balance brought down. A capital rupees 5 lakh and B capital rupees 3 lakh. In a PL appropriation account, interest on capital provided to partners, partner capital will be increased, recorded in credit side by interest on capital. A 25,000 and B 15,000. B's commission rupees 60,000. Capital will be increased, now recorded in credit side. Commission amount 60,000. Reserve as undistributed profit reserve not related to partners. Next, profit distributed among partners to PL. Appropriation 1,08,000 and 1,08,000. Now, drawing made during the year, partners A 60,000 and B is 40,000. 2. Interest on drawing. A rupees 1800 and B rupees 1200. Now posting will be completed in PL appropriation and partners capital account. Now closed partners capital account. Find the capital balance amount at the end of the year. Now credit side excess. Credit side total amount rupees 3 lakh plus 15,000 plus 60,000 plus 1,08,000. Total amount 4,83,000. 4,83,000 minus 40,000 and 1,200. Amount rupees balance amount 4,41,800. A's capital account credit side excess rupees 5 lakh plus 25,000 plus 1,08,000. Total 6,33,000. 6,33,000 less drawing during the year amount 60,000 and minus 1,800 interest on drawing. Balance amount 5,71,200. Now to balance carried down. Again, PL appropriation account treated as nominal account rule. All expenses and losses debit, all income and profit credit. Interest on capital, commission, this is loss incurred by the firm, now recorded in debit side. All income and profit will be credited. Profit balance credit. So in credit side, interest on drawing charged by the firm as a profit recorded in credit side. After all adjustment, divisible profit find rupees 2,16,000 distributed in partners in equal ratio. Now partners capital account always showed a credit balance. A's capital and B's capital recorded 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Interest on capital commission provided to partners capital will be increased. Now capital credit balance capital increase recorded in credit side 25,000 and 15,000. B's commission rupees 60,000. Profit increased partners capital recorded in credit side. Partners capital decreased by personal use as a drawing and charge interest on drawing recorded on debit side. Now at the end of the year, capital balancing amount showed A's rupees 5,71,200 and B's capital balance rupees 4,41,800. Now PL appropriation and partners capital account prepare. Dear student, now revision of chapter 1 according to topic wise. First, interest on capital. Interest on capital is to be allowed as per agreement. There is no changes in capital during the year. For example, A and B are partners in equal proportion 1:1. Their capital 1st April 2015 rupees 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Interest on capital provided at the rate of 6% per annum. Calculate interest on capital for the year ended 31st March 2016. Again, taken one more example. A and B are partners. Capital on 1st April 2015 rupees 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum. On 1st October 2015, A introduced capital A rupees 1 lakh, and on 1st October B withdrew capital rupees 50,000. Calculate interest on capital for the year ended 31st March 2016. Dear student, two example in front of you. A. There is no changes in capital during the year, and B. There is changes in capital during the year. In case 1, capital beginning of the year 1st April 2015, 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Interest on capital provided at the rate of 6% per annum. Calculate interest on capital for the year ended. At the end of the year, calculate interest on capital during the year. No changes in capital. In second example, capital at the beginning of the year rupees 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Interest on capital provided 6% per annum. On 1st October 2015, during the year, introduced capital A rupees 1 lakh, withdrew capital B rupees 50,000. Calculate interest on capital for the year ended 31st March 2016. During the year, on 1st October 2015, changes in capital. Now calculate of interest on capital in both example. First example, A's capital rupees 5 lakh during the whole year. Now interest on capital rupees 5 lakh at the rate of 6% is equal to 30,000. And B's capital rupees 3 lakh. Now interest on capital rupees 3 lakh at the rate of 6%, 18,000. Second example, there is changes in capital during the year. A's capital rupees 5 lakh. 1st April to 1st October. April to October, April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. Now 5 lakh rupees capital at the rate of 6% for 6 months. Amount rupees 18,000. Sorry, 15,000. On 1st October, A introduced rupees 1 lakh. Now 6 lakh rupees capital at the rate of 6% for 1st October. 6 lakh capital 1st October to 31st March 2016. 6 month amount rupees 18,000. Total 33,000. B capital rupees 3 lakh. B's capital rupees 3 lakh. 1st April to 1st October. Now calculate 3 lakh at the rate of 6% for 6 months. April to October 6 months. Now amount rupees 9,000. B withdraw rupees 50,000 on 1st October. Now effective capital after withdrawal 2 lakh 50,000 at the rate of 6% for 6 months. 1st October to 31st March. Capital rupees 2,50,000 in effort, 2,50,000 at the rate of 6% for 6 months. Amount rupees 7,500. Total interest on capital 16,500.